Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you guys this new and awesome online banking website which comes with a lot of amazing features like check deposit, investment, credit card, local and international transfer, and a lot of amazing features. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. As you can see, this is the home page of the website. It comes with an amazing design, the colors, the images, the layout that we've done for you already. So you need to show yourself about those things, right? So this is it. You can see this is the FAQ, this is the testimonial section, and this is the footer section. You see, nothing too complicated, easy and straight to the point. Okay, so I'm just logging into an account so you can actually see how that will actually looks like. So once log into your account, take a shot of this amazing dashboard you are seeing here. See, here comes an amazing account balance section, send, deposit history. You have a deposit with check, withdrawal, investment plans. It comes with a lot of amazing features, right? I have to walk you through each of those features to see how they work. Okay, so this is dashboard here. So here you have your account details. Account details, you can see the details about your account, your account number, your account holder, and those other information here. So you have your wire transfer. Okay, so you can choose to send to the beneficiary here. Okay, just put in the amount, so let's count to 700, put in the optional date and all that. Process, you can see put in your COT code, for IMF code and all those other code. So that's just that for the transfer. Here if you have the local transfer, right, so you can just put in the destination bank, right, put in the name, the routing number, account number, and those other details. After that, just click on confirm transfer, and that's just that for that. Here you have your ATM card. Okay, you can apply for the ATM card, right, and click on apply now. Visa card. Okay, all right, so just put to request card. Okay, and see new card request to card is not active already. So this is the card here. See, very nice. So I can choose to freeze this card, international payments, update pin, and apply, and all those other information here. Okay, you have a check deposit, which you can actually make deposit to this website using check. So just put in the amount. This is $1,000. Put in check front. Alright, check front, and just look for an image to upload. Look for an image to upload here. So this here, put this here, put this here. Okay, so I can submit check for verification, and just have to wait for it to load. Okay, you can see check of $10,000 plus successfully currently pending audit. So once that has been audited, you corrected your balance. So just that for that. Here you have your loan center. Actually take loan on this website. Website you have personal or business loan. If you apply for loan, you can just put in the loan amount, right? So interest rate 4%. About that, submit your application. That is just that. Yeah, we also still have the fixed deposit, right? You can just apply for a particular loan here. Oh, sorry, for the fixed deposits. Okay, so this is the fixed deposit. You can start saving, put in the information, and that is just that. Okay, so you have your investment here. You can see investment. There are different okay, I currently no investment plan currently here. So let me click on invest here. Right inside investment plans, you can see this is beginner, starter, all those other investment plans. So you can just click on invest, right? So you can confirm investment and start counting automatically. So that's just that. Here you have your transactions here. Transactions, you can see. I see your transactions here. All right, this is it. Here you have your cash flow, analytics, and all that. Here you have settings. Right, this is settings. Here you can see your KYC. It's verified. Account limits. Okay, I still have $50,000. Here you have preference, email notification. You can choose to on this or off this. Okay, that's just basically that for the dashboard here. Okay, we also have add deposit. When this auto deposit, you can deposit through wire transfer. This is your account number here. Put in the amount on the proof. So you can deposit through crypto, right? Different crypto, paper, or gift card. All right, so this is just that. So that here you have a deposit. You can choose to. Okay, this is the same thing. And send money. You can choose to send money, which is transfer. which is the wire transfer. So that's just that for a dashboard. Let me show you the admin side, show you how the admin can manage the entire website. When you go to the admin, take you straight to this dashboard you are seeing here. All right, you can see the analytics, the total users, and all that analytics here. Okay, so here we have the customers. You can see the customer here, country verified. Click on action here. You can see details about this customer. You can generate a transaction for this particular user. You can generate transaction here. Okay, you can choose to, okay, this is to edit transaction and all that. So this particular transaction, so this is just like particular transaction you did. You can generate more transaction. All right, these are more transactions here. You can just put in the date and all that. Okay, and save this. Okay, so that's just that for this session. Let me just go back. Let me go back to customers action. So you can choose to credit this balance. Credit. You can credit this user's balance here. Okay, so we also still have verify, state pending, or revoke or remove account, or edit or change the profile picture and all that. Okay, here you have your user details. Right, you can see more details about this user. You can choose to view this user. All right, you can view user. You can see like the entire details of this user, the account balance, COT code, and all sort of information here. Okay, so here you have your KYC submission. Here you can see the KYC submission of all the users, right? Here you have your deposits. So they're not pending, no deposit that is pending here. So if there's any pending deposit, you see that here. Here you have your check. Right, check. You can see the front. I can choose to view this and approve. I can approve here. You can see yes, proceed, and that is just that. So let me reload this. Let me see. Let me reload this. Okay, so that's that. Here we have your withdrawals. We have your transfer. Right, you can see all the transfer. I can choose to delete these two. Okay, here you have your manage bank. You can see all the different banks on this particular website. You can choose to add or delete them. Right, so you can choose to put the bank name, put in the local international transfer, or for both. Okay, so that is that. Here you have your bank branches. You can have different branch of the bank here. Here you have your generate transactions. Right, you can send this user and generate transaction for this particular user here. Right, so you have your loans. There's no loan currently here, so that is that. Here we also still have the investment. Right, you can see the investment here. There's no current investment, so we also still have edit plans, which is the investment plans. You can choose to edit or add a new plan. Right, you can add a new plan here. We edit it. Okay, then we have a support ticket. Right, support ticket here. Here you have your settings. You can put in a site name, maintenance mode, bank deposit method, the Bitcoin address, enable IMF code, and also your live chat, your lots of information here. So that is all that for this session. Here you have your SMTP details, so users can actually receive mail. You can put in your mail details, put in your design and all that here. So that is that for this particular website.